About the materials, I already posted the material lists in community chat box. Again, I'm going to explain you. We need canvas, or you can take any GSM paper like 150 GSM paper or more than 150 like 200, 300 GSM papers are good for acrylics. Or you can take any drawing book. If you don't have anything, just take normal drawing copy or any copy. You can do practice on that. Okay. And obviously it's acrylic session, so we need acrylic colors and we need some brushes that I'm going to explain you, and water and your palette, all these things, rough tissue paper or rough fabric you can take. Okay, these are about the material. One more, we need small piece of sponge. Okay, so we are going to do one sky view, means very easy type of painting, because some of beginners are also with us. So because of that, I'm going to start from beginning to means beginning stage. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, Shreya ma'am, thank you. Okay, so everyone excited for the sessions? Should I start the session? I want everyone response. You can show me thumb mark or you can write in the chat box. Yeah, Meghna ma'am, Shilpi ma'am, yes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to focus on my workspace, then I'm going to start the sessions. During the sessions, I'm going to explain you some techniques, tricks, side by side. Okay, then means you have one idea about the acrylic painting. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. So my workspace is clear to everyone?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we are going to do just a minute. Yeah. Yes. So normally if you have acrylic colors with the bottle colors or tube colors, you can take any one. Okay, this is the bottle colors, and the difference between both the color, bottle colors are little bit diluted colors. Okay, so if you see the bottle color, it's diluted, but if you're going for the tube colors, then tube colors are you're little bit thicker and good for canvas. But and one more thing, papers, if you're doing on paper, paper absorbs your color, so it's dry very fast, so you have to do little bit faster. But if you are going to do on canvas, then it's take little bit time to dry off. Okay, so this is the difference. And for the normal blending purpose, always we use flat brush. Okay, for the background blending, color merging, always we use flat brush.
Tamasha ma'am, I have one question. We can also use tube acrylic colors?
Yes,
Or
yeah, I already told that you can take the bottle one or tube one, whatever you have, you can take that.
okay. They both have the same effect?
Yeah, both are same effect. Mostly tube are good for canvas. Yeah,
Okay.
these are little bit thicker, so you can use easily on the canvas. But bottle are basically for, means you can use on canvas as well as for the craft purpose also. Okay, these are little bit diluted colors. Okay, right now I have bottle color, so I'm going to use that one. Okay, so for the blending purpose, like your background blending or like your color merging, everyone please mute yourself. Yeah, so you can take the flat brush. If you want to create anything, means any perfect thing, if you want to create like tree or anything you want to create, then you can use the round brush, like your 684 number round brush. If you are going to create little bit more detailing work, then you have to take the 000 something like this type of brushes. So these are about some brushes. Also we need, means if you have 3 different types of brushes, you can create any acrylic painting. It's not any, but you can create the basic one. And there are many different type of brushes are also there, like your fan brush, angular brush, and your long hair brush. So these all things we are going to explain this about these brushes in the master sessions. Okay, so right now I'm going to explain you about the blending. Okay, so just take your flat brush, just take any colors. Okay, I'm taking here I'm taking here orange colors and yellow colors. These colors are easy and bright, so I'm taking these colors. Okay, but in today's sessions, we are going to create one sky painting. Okay, sky painting or with the flowers and all we are going to create. So here simply I'm taking a wet brush. My brush is little bit wet. Okay. So and I'm taking acrylic colors. As I told you, paper absorbs color, so it's getting very fast. Okay, it's dry up very fast. So here I use the orange color. Now I'm going to take the yellow shades. See here in portions, this colors is something like one lines. So I want to blend these two colors. So how can I blend? Just wash your brush, take a clean and dry brush and just try to blend in the middle portions by rubbing your brush again and again like this. Or you can hold your brush something like this. So holding of your brush is also very important thing. Okay, so you can blend your colors like this. See, now the blendings come up smoothly. If your blendings not come up smoothly, you can take a little bit of yellowish tone, in the sense which color is your lighter color. Suppose you are taking blue and white, then you have to take the white color, then you have to blend again. So now this is called your smooth blending. So these blendings we are going to use in today's sessions. There are many different type of blending like circular blending, semicircular blending, tabbing blending, patches blending. So these are all in the advanced level. Means like different types of blendings are there. That is on the advanced levels. But today's sessions we are going to use this one. And one more thing I'm going to use, show you the tabbing. Okay, that thing also we are going to use. If you want to create anything with the tabbing effect, simply I'm taking the here the 6 number round brush. Simply I do the tabbing like this color. And I'm going to take yellow color with the same brush and just going to create the tabbing. So mostly sometimes we create this type of tabbing for the flowers and all. You can do this type of tabbing. I'm showing with the single colors here, but in the fair one we are going to do in detail. Okay, so these things also I'm going to use in today's sessions and this one. Okay, so is it clear to everyone?
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a small canvas only, so is this fine?
Yeah, this is fine. No problem. You can create with that. Even I'm also going to create on small piece of canvas. Okay, I'm also going to create here.
Okay, ma'am.
About different types of blendings. I'm just showing you some of the examples. Okay, like you can create different type of blending with that. Here I use different color shades. You can create like this. You can create different blending like this. So these are all beginners level I'm showing you. You can create the blending like this. This is one abstract blending. The background is something with the abstract. You can create like this type of abstract also. This one also abstract blending. So there are many different type of things are there. And here you can see the smooth blending dark to light theme is here. Here I use the darker one and towards the downward light one, and it's the smooth blending. This one also with the smooth blending. Means all these are smooth type of blendings, this one. And okay, so these are some of the examples I'm showing you. These are the some of the example. Here the blending is dark and light, different colors is in the backgrounds. You can mix that and you can create like this. So these are the some example. We are also going to create the drape view painting in the sky view. Okay, and then in the lastly, I'm going to show you some of the advanced level of work also. Okay, so simply take a flat brush because we are going to do the blending here, and normally for the blending purpose and all we always use the flat brush. Okay, I fix my canvas sheet with the masking tape. It's not compulsory, but if you fix, your edges should be protected. Okay, वो protect हो जाएंगे. So now, as I told you, this is a debut painting I'm going to create. So I'm going to take the blue shades. Whatever blue shades you have, you can take that. Okay, I'm taking here the blue shades of cerulean blue. Okay, if you have
Okay.
ultra blue, you can take the ultramarine blue also, you can take the cerulean blue, any blue shades, and with white color we are going to use. And I have this still blue shade, so I'm going to use this one, but this color is not compulsory. Okay. Simply I open the colors, just take the same brush I am taking here, and simply I am taking the cerulean blue here. Okay, so just try to put your colors all over the canvas, then I am going to do the blending. So simply I am apply the cerulean blue here. So normally what you can do, you can apply the colors like this by holding the brush, something like this, or you can apply like this. So whatever you feel comfortable, you can do that. Okay, simply just take the colors and apply on your canvas. Okay, so I'm just going to apply all the colors here, then I'm going to do the blending. Okay, so simply I'm applying the colors, and don't wash your brush. Normally in the acrylic sessions, we need very less amount of water. Only if your color is very thick, then you need the water. And if you want to wash your brush, then we need water. Otherwise, we don't need any water. So simply I apply this tone, but upper side I apply the darker one, and downwards I'm applying the lighter one. Okay, lighter shades. Okay, simply just apply with the same brush. I'm not washing my brush, and I'm taking here 8 number brush. So my canvas is full of colors. Now I'm going to do the blending. Okay. If you want, you can add a little bit of teal blue also. I'm adding little bit of teal blue over here. So now how to blend your colors. Okay, that is the very important thing. You can wash your brush right now. I'm not washing, I'm simply clean my brush with the rough fabric like this, because I'm using the similar shades here. If you are going to use the blue shades and your yellow shades and orange shades, then you have to wash your brush. Here I'm going to use the similar tone. So because of that, I'm not washing my brush. Simply I'm taking the flat brush and just doing like this to blend the colors. As I told you, the easiest way to blend the color is simply rub your brush on the canvas, but not for every time. Okay, so this time I'm telling this one, just blend your colors like this. And if you are doing on paper, you have to do all these things very fast, because paper absorbs colors. It's dry very fast on paper, but canvas take a little bit more time to dry up. Simply I just rub. So you have to don't create any single line and all, just create very smooth effect on your canvas. Simply just rub your brush like this. If required, as I told you, blendings not come up perfectly, you can take the lighter shades. Okay, here the lighter shades is white, so I'm taking the white color shades and just cover the edge portions also. Okay, so just give proper color to your edge portion, so that means all the page looks beautiful. Okay. Once your colors is wet, it's very easy to blend. Once your colors get dry, you have to means take little bit more colors, and again you have to do the blendings. So that will little bit difficult, but if your color is wet, you can easily blend your canvas. So is it clear? Some portions I am giving little bit darker tone, some portions lighter tone, so only for the shading and all. Okay, you can create like this. And here some white dot space is here, so I'm just adding little bit of teal blue shades again here in this portions. So till now I'm not using any water, as we don't need water. And also I'm doing with that bottle colors, and bottle colors are already diluted colors, so we need very less amount of water for that. If your color is thick, you can add more, you can take more water. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just waiting for 2 minutes. Let it dry first. Then we are going to do the detailing work here. And as I told you, I don't wash my brush because I'm using the similar color here. And showing you one here, I use the different colors. Okay, so different color, if you are going to use, you have to wash your brush and all, you have to do all these things. Okay, so these are the different one. Okay. And now one more materials I'm explaining. We need small piece of sponge. Okay. Okay. Till now my color is wet, I think. Yes. It's take a little bit time. Canvas don't absorb water, absorb colors because already ये prime होता है. So it's not absorbs colors. So it's take a little bit more time to dry off. Okay. Now I need one piece of sponge. Simply just take your palette, any palette you have. I'm taking white color here. Simply I'm taking the sponge here. I'm just taking little bit of white color here and just do 1-2 tabbing on your palette, on your rough paste, or you can tab on the paper also. Now going to do the cloud effect. So this is the easiest way to create the cloud, but it's give you a very beautiful effect. Okay. So simply, but do all these things after dry up this portions. Okay. My this teal blue color is also till now it's not dry, but I'm trying. Simply just do the tabbing. This side I want cloud, so in the upper side I add more white stone. Okay, and downward simply I'm doing the tabbing. Okay, you can create the tabbing effect any directions or any, if you want you can create like this, or you can change the directions also, or you can create any other space also. That is up to you because that is your painting. Some black colors come up in my sponge, so I'm just changing my sponge here. I'm taking another one. This side also I'm going to do the same thing. So I add the cloud effect here with the easy technique. It's a very easy, but the output is very beautiful. You can create like this also. You have to give little bit tabbing and blend the color with the sponge. Okay, some portions little bit lighter cloud. Like I am creating the day view, the sky portions. Okay, because of that I add lots of white clouds here. Okay, is it clear? So here the sky portions is here, and towards the downwards means I'm going to create some branches, some tree here. Okay, and the sky portions is ready. Okay, and yeah. So some portions going to means dikhega nahi after doing all the detailing work, and some portions going to visible. Okay. So now I'm going to create the tree part and all, but let it dry first. Okay, this is the layering effect, means after drying one sky layer, we are creating the cloud, then just let it dry this portions, then we are going to create the tree portions and all. So for the tree portions and all, I'm going to take the sap green color here. And one more thing, after dry means use your colors, just cover your colors because acrylic colors dry very fast with the air content. Okay. With the air contact, it's dry very fast. Yes, Shilpa ma'am, I will share you that. Actually, I am out of station, so I have very less work with me, but whatever I have, I will share you. Yeah, and Anjana ma'am, yes, I'm using, this one is the canvas sheet. Okay, it's a canvas sheet, it's not paper, it's canvas sheet.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So I'm going to use here, this one is your light green. Yes, its name is your light green and this one is your sap green. And I need a little bit of black. Okay, so for the branches and all. I think now it's dry. Yeah. I'm showing you my palette also here. Just take small amount of sap green tone like this. Just take small amount of sap green and just take very little amount of black. Okay, this one is also, this much is also more. Okay, so just take very less amount of black and just mix. We need little bit of darker tone also. So here is the darker tone I'm going to use. And now I'm going to add 1 drop of water here. Why I'm taking water? Because we are going to do next layer here. Already we apply the colors all over the portions, and when you are going to do the detailing work on the next layer, you have to take little bit of diluted colors. So because of that, I'm adding only 1 drop of water. Now my color is diluted. I'm going to create some branches here. Okay, so simply I'm doing the branches line. Like here, I'm going to create some branches. According to your page, I'm creating black and sap green mixing color, ma'am. Okay. Simply, I'm creating here also 1 branch. So according to your space, you can take small branches and all. I'm creating here on with the 1 directions. Okay. And you can create, if you are taking A4 size page and your page is little bit bigger, so you can add many means or more branches also here. My page is small, I use a small piece of canvas here, so I'm taking this much. Okay, and now I'm going to create some branches here. So always just how to create the branches, just pressure and release. This technique is for the branches. And just take, I'm taking the 000 brush here. Just take the 000 brush. Not 000, you can take the 1 number brush or 0 number brush you can take. So I'm creating some portion, some branches and all. Now I have to create lots of leaf here in this portions. So how to create the leaf? How to create the easiest way to create the leaf structure? Okay. So again, I'm taking the same and your sampling tone. And I'm going to change my brush here. I'm going to take the brush number of 6 or 8 number. Okay. And just trying to do some tabbing here. Okay, simply tabbing I'm going to create here near to the edge portion. This side I want little bit of darker tone. Then other sides we are going to do the different one. So here I want little bit of darker tone. So I'm taking the black and sap green mix color here and just doing some tabbing. Simply just take the brush and do the tabbing near to the edge portions. Okay. Not up to the edge, means up to the branches and all. Just create like this portion. Some portions you have to create the darker tone. Also, I'm taking a little bit of black. Some portions is darker side. Okay, so little bit of black also I'm taking. Now let it dry. I'm going to take the 1 number brush here, or you can take the 2 number brush or 1 number brush you can take. Now I'm going to create the leaf structure here. So first I'm taking the same color tone and just going to create the leaf structure like this. Small leaves that just create one tabbing. So this portion, I am taking a little bit more blackish type of, because that side is your darker shades. Okay. And lots of leaf are here. So because of that. Also, I'm taking the sap green color directly from the bottle and just apply here in this portions. Some portions darker one and some portions directly sap green. Just do the tabbing like this. So this type of tabbing effect, you can create many different type of tree also. Okay. So suppose this one. This tree is done with the same tabbing effect. I'm showing you example. This tree also done with the same tabbing effect like this. Here I use the bigger number of brush, like 2, 3 number. And here I use the smaller number brush. Difference is only that you can create like that also. Okay, so simply way is just do like this. Yes, Megha. Megha ma'am, it's acrylic sections, ma'am. Already the name is your acrylic painting session. So I use the acrylic colors here. Simply, I'm creating with the darker colors first. You have to create lots of leaf here and some branches also you can create, and just cover these portions with the lots of leaf. Also, I'm creating 1, 2 more branches, some portions. Then we are going to create some flowers. Okay. So when you are doing the detailing work, you have to take the brush like this, like your pencil. Okay, you can take the brush like your pencil if you are doing the more detailing work. Okay, and normally for this leaf and all, you can create, you can hold your brush like this. So here I'm creating with the dark green tone and mixing with the black color, no, not dark green, it's sap green, and mixing with the black tone. If you normally see your surrounding mostly for means greenery and all, you can see the dark green color shades is more. So we mostly means sap green color tone is the more. So mostly we use the sap green tone for this. Okay, so already I add lots of branch here. Now I'm going to take the another shades, because this is your darker sides. Then you have to take the lighter one. Or if you want, you can extend the thing also. I'm going to extend a little bit more. Only one branch, I'm taking a little bit longer one. This leaf portions take a little bit time to do. Okay, so it's clear to everyone, or any doubt you can ask me. You can put your doubts in the chat box also. I can't see anyone, so anyone means Please turn on your camera, everyone. I can't see anyone, so it's very difficult to talk with the blank screen.
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavni ma'am is doing with me. And what about other member? Please turn on your camera. So very roughly and randomly, I'm just adding the colors, so tabbing here. Yes, now I see some of you. Yeah. So next, now I'm going to take the color shades of leaf. Then let it dry a little bit. Then I'm going to add the lighter shades here. So now for the leaf structure, I'm going to take the color shades of red, pink, and white. If you don't have pink shades, then you can add, means you can take the mixing of your red color and your white color. You will get the pink shades. Okay, I have pink color, so I'm going to take that one. So simply mixing of this red and white, you will get exactly same set. Okay. So only you have to take the more amount of pink and more amount of white and less amount of pink shades. Okay. And I have one more shades of pink. This one, its name is Dibril Purple. So if you want, you can use that pink also. I'm going to use this one. So simply with the same brush, I'm taking the red color here like this, just taking the red color. Now I'm taking the white color and just doing the tabbing. When your color is not dry, you have to do the tabbing so that the upper side colors mix with each other, like white mix with the red tone and give you pinkish type of color effect. Simply you have to do the tabbing. Okay. Similarly here also, I'm taking the red color with the same brush and with the same time I'm taking the white. So it's mixed with each other and give you the pinkish tone. If you are not trying use the pink tone, then also that's okay. But just add the white color at the same time. So it's give you the shading type of effect. So you have to add lots of flowers in all over portions. Okay. So I'm adding the same red color, same white color here. Like this, I'm going to create some flower effect. Okay. So it's a tabbing effect flower, you can say. It's a normal tabbing effect and you can create this type of lots of flowers. Okay, I'm showing you one example with the same type of tabbing effect. How can you create another flower, means landscape painting or flower also. Just a minute. See, this is one advanced level of this one. This is a girl in a landscape in the evening. Here also a similar type of flowers I am adding. So you can do this type of things also. Okay. And here I'm adding the small flower. Okay. So this portion, this darker portions is dry now. So when your colors get dry, you can add the flowers here also, but if your colors not get dry, then don't use the other colors, it will merge with each other. Okay, so after drying this, you can add this type of flower. In the every branches, I'm adding some small flowers in the end of your branches. Okay, so this flower is on the end of the ये end के तरफ ही ये flowers है आपके branches के end के तरफ. Okay. Similarly here also. And if you want to use another color shades also, you can use, like here, this pink is little bit different. I want to use this one here also. I can use that also, okay? Only you have to mark that when your color is wet, at the same time you have to do the tabbing. So the different variations of colors in your flowers, it's come up. Okay. If you want, you can add little bit of maroon tone also for the darker color theme and all. You can do that also. Some portions I'm going to use this pink also. That is also okay. So flower tabbing is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So near to the darker area, you have to also create small, because there are also branches and all. We are going to create that branches with the lighter shades, but I am already at the flower here.
Ma'am, which brush you used for leaves and branches?
Leaf and branches for this bigger area, this portions, I add the 6 number. And for this branches and all, I take the 000 brush. And now for the leaf also, I am taking 000 brush. Okay, but if your canvas is little bit bigger, you can take 1 or 2 number brush. That is also okay. Okay, my canvas is smaller one, so I am taking this size of brush. So here you have to take the good amount of color in your brush. Don't take less amount of. If your flowers come up little bit patchy 3D type effect, that is also okay, because we are creating that type of flowers here. Okay, this flowers is something में हम ऊपर से paste कर रहे. It's give you 3D type of effect. So just add good amount of colors. It's give you 3D type of effect, but that thing's going to look beautiful. Okay. Simply normally in the tabbing effect, we did the same thing. We take little bit more amount of colors and just do the tabbing. Okay. So now I'm going to add here some lighter shades of leaf. So for the lighter shades, you can take the leaf light green, or you can take the leaf green. Okay, so leaf green is very brighter, so I'm going to take the light green tone here. And again, this portions I use the darker shades, and here in this portions I'm going to show you that one. Okay, so that means if you see all the things towards the downwards and all, means the image is something like that. The sky is upside, you are watching towards the upside, and you see some branches and some flowers is here like this. So some portions you have to create with the lighter shades, giving the beautiful effect. Not in every portions, but some portions you have to add the little bit lighter shades. With the same tabbing and same effect you have to create. Only 1-2 tabbing towards the upside I am adding with the light color. If you want, you can create bird in the sky also. If you want to create more branches, you can create here also. Okay, it's a normal type of easy type of painting, you can create like this. Or I think I need little bit of branches here in this portions. You can extend your branch also. Okay, I'm extending little bit of branches this side because this side look little bit flat. And just take that again darker tone I am taking here and just creating the leaf. Also I'm taking sap green tone. If you see, if you are going to add any bird here in this portions, and if you are going to see these things from the downwards, it's give you something's black type of color effect you are finding in the bird also. So if you have some space here, you can add here flower means bird and all. You can also create that thing. So don't take water. Okay, so some water come up from my brush, but we don't need any water here. So is it clear to everyone? It's a very easy and simple type of, but the look is beautiful type of, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So like
Ma'am,
this,
it's looking very nice.
thank you. So you can create with the similar techniques. You can create like this type of flowers. All the flowers and things are with the same technique. Okay, you can create like this. You can create like this also. Some flowers, the bigger flowers is here. And if you want to change the flowers, okay, if you don't want this flower, you can create simple easy roses also like this. Okay, these are the small piece of canvas you can create like this techniques. Now I'm going to show you how it look after removing the masking tape. After removing the masking tape, just mark your edge portions. Okay, here I need little bit of black and sap green mix up tone. So I'm taking that tone here and just cover this portions. If you leave this portions as it is not going to look good. So just cover this portions like this because here we create the darker colors effect. Okay, so like this you have to just cover these things. So I hope you like this painting. It's a easy but a small one painting because we have limited time period and we means because of that I'm taking this thing. Thank you, Diksha ma'am. Yes, Silpa ma'am, I'm showing you. Just a minute. I'm just going to cover my colors, then I'm showing you. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes, and also guys, please be there till the end. Okay, we have amazing surprises for you. As you can see that ma'am, ma'am did such an amazing work, and I hope that all of you loved it, right? How many of you enjoyed and loved the class? Can I get some